In this video, I will show you step by step how to add checkmark in Bluebeam. First, launch your app or software on your devices, guys. Make sure you have this version, free or premium version. After that, you will have to follow me in these steps. Go to tools, and then from the tools, select the format and then click check option. Go tools and format, and then drag and place the check mark you want to add format and box on your form, and then select a new check mark. Select for the new check mark, guys, and then from here write your name on the check mark, and then choose orientations and tooltip and field. All this option from the down here, guys, right click and then select property, and you will launch the form and panel, and then you can customize this one. After finishing, guys, to create a label, new check mark, go to tools and mark, and then choose the text box. This is for text box, and then you can also choose a mark. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and share this video.